Action.
Hey Matt, Joey here, discount forklift number. Here we have your Raymond, electric Raymond, reconditioned battery, the service sticker, Edith. Here, we're gonna have your forklift maintenance guy open it up here for you. What it's gonna give you is gonna be your daily pre-shift checklist. Dig a little deeper, man, a couple more pages in here. It's gonna give you your 6-week checklist. Then you dig a little bit deeper in there, Matt. It's gonna have 12 months in there for you, okay? Here, Matt, we have your red and yellow safety forks. Let's get her a try out, see how she works for us, man. First things first, Matt, safety. Ooh. 22-foot clearance. Goes a little higher. Thanks for your business, Matt. Here, you'll see your data plate with all the information in there for you.